In this video, we give a short overview of the ENGEL Control System software. We show the basic workflow, from preparation and connection to running a lighting plan. Before using the software, we make sure that the required driver is installed. We install the USB or serial adapter driver that is needed to communicate with the controller. After installation, the adapter appears as a COM port in the system. Once the driver is installed, we start the ENGEL Control System software. Next, we connect to the controller. We open the Connect tab and select the correct COM port. First, we click Open, and then we click Connect. If the connection is successful, the local device information is displayed, such as device model, PAN ID, and firmware version. If all values remain unknown, the selected COM port or the driver installation should be checked. After connecting, we search for devices in the network. We switch to the Search Devices in Net tab and start the scan. When the scan is finished, all detected devices, such as controllers or LED drivers, are shown in the list. Now we identify and name the devices. We select a device from the list and use the function Find a Lamp by flashing it to identify the physical device. After that, we assign a clear and unique device name for easier identification later. Next, we create a device group. In the Groups tab, we create a new group and assign the required devices to it. This allows multiple devices to be controlled together. After that, we create a light spectrum. In the Spectrum tab, we add a new spectrum, select the appropriate LED driver type, and set the power percentage for each channel. The preview shows the resulting spectral curve. Optionally, the spectrum can be tested directly on a device. Next, we create a time policy. In the Time Policy tab, we add a new policy and select the control method, for example, PPFD control. Then we define the daily time segments with start time, end time, and target values. After configuration, we save the time policy. In the same section, we create a day or growth policy. For each growth stage, we define the duration in days, the assigned time policy, the spectrum to be used, and the maximum PPFD limit. After configuration, we save the policy. Finally, we create a run plan. In the Run Plan tab, we select the device group and the day policy. Optionally, a PPFD sensor can be selected. We start the plan, and the system status changes to running. During operation, we can monitor different parameters, such as dimming value, PPFD, or DLI, to check the system status and performance. This concludes the basic setup and operation of the ENGEL Control System, from preparation to active operation. We are happy you chose our lighting system for your application. If you have any questions about setup, configuration, or operation, please contact us at any time. We will be glad to support you and help you get the best results from the system. Thank you for watching.